and see the fine thin slices of. If I ask, what's your experience whilst cutting cabbage? Terrible. Well, why does it get terrible? Because the hand and knife method, the usual technique of cutting cabbage, can really take some serious amount of time, and it can even be tiring depending on how much cabbage you need to cut. If it's for 1 or 2 persons, it's quite manageable, it's understood, little quantity. But then if it's a big occasion, or if it's a big family get together, and then you have a ball of a time cutting the cabbage. For those that have food processors at home, I know life is made easier with the food processor, and it is very much easy to cut your vegetables with this. But then I have a simple tip. Now, I won't say that it will reduce the time of your cutting, but definitely the technique will be a little less burdensome when it comes to the knife and hand technique. And definite enough, you will get very thin cabbage sizes. They'll turn to be very thin, as if like a noodle or something, that thin. So how this is done is what I'm going to share with you in a bit. For this hack, you'll require peeler and cabbage. So what you have to do is, the half or the quarter cut cabbage, just move the peeler over it in this way, and see the fine thin slices of cabbage that you get after using the peeler over the cabbage in this way. Ensure that your grip on the cabbage is strong enough. And also I have attached a few link of peelers which you all will find useful in your kitchen. Wasn't that a cool hack? Especially if you're off to make salad or even stir fry vegetable, this kind of technique for cabbage cutting is definitely going to be helpful. So do let me know in the comments section, what do you have to say about it. For those who are visiting my channel for the very first time, I request you, please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to get updates on all my upcoming videos. So friends, I'll see you next time with another new hack. Till then, do not forget, if you all have any hack which you all think might come in use to someone else, do let me know in the comment section, or send us an email with your name so that we can mention it against the hack, specifically saying that this hack was given by so and so person. Also, if there's anyone who would want a hack, do let us know again in the comment section or on email, and if there is a solution or a hack that we can work out, we'll definitely show it up on our channel. So that's all friends, I'll see you next time on How Hacks.